Essential skills for software developers, 2025 to 2027. As the tech industry evolves rapidly, staying relevant as a software developer means keeping up with the skills in high demand. Looking ahead to 2025 to 2027, there's an undeniable rise in the need for machine learning engineers and data scientists. But what exactly should developers focus on learning? Let's dive into the essential skills and tools to future-proof your career. Python continues to dominate the tech world, and for good reason. It's versatile, beginner-friendly, and packed with libraries like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, and scikit-learn that make machine learning and data analysis a breeze. Why learn Python? Python's simplicity and extensive ecosystem make it perfect for tasks like data manipulation, machine learning, and automation. Why add R to the mix? R excels in statistical analysis and data visualization. It's heavily used in academia and industries that require deep statistical computations, such as healthcare and finance. Understanding how to work with data is non-negotiable for modern developers. This means getting comfortable with databases, including both SQL and NoSQL systems. SQL. Learn how to query data effectively, optimize performance, and work with relational databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and MariaDB. NoSQL databases. Explore document-based systems like MongoDB and Cassandra, which handle unstructured data. Data warehouses. Tools like Google BigQuery and Amazon Redshift are vital for big data operations. Machine learning and deep learning are no longer niche skills. They're becoming essential for developers. Machine learning. Learn algorithms like linear regression, decision trees, and support vector machines. Tools like scikit-learn simplify this. Deep learning. Dive into neural networks and frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Keras. These are critical for areas like natural language processing, NLP, and computer vision. Consider mastering MLOps, the DevOps for machine learning, which focuses on deploying and managing ML models in production. As a software developer, you'll often need to present data-driven insights. Learning to use visualization tools makes your analyses compelling and easier to understand. Tableau. Known for its intuitive interface, it's a go-to tool for creating stunning visualizations without heavy coding. Power BI. Microsoft's powerful tool integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft products and is a favorite in enterprise settings. Python libraries, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Plotly can also help you create customizable, code-driven visuals. Cloud platforms are indispensable for modern applications, especially in data-heavy environments. Developers should know how to work with at least one major cloud provider. Amazon Web Services, AWS, the market leader with services for computing, storage, machine learning, and big data. Google Cloud Platform, GCP, offers robust machine learning tools like Vertex AI and BigQuery. Microsoft Azure, a strong contender, especially in enterprise environments. To truly thrive, software developers should aim to know everything a data analyst knows, plus machine learning and deep learning. This means extracting, cleaning, and transforming data, ETL processes. Building dashboards and reports for business intelligence. Creating predictive models and automating data workflows with machine learning. AI-powered future. Businesses are increasingly integrating AI and ML into their processes, creating a need for engineers who can build and maintain these systems. Data explosion. With data being generated at an unprecedented rate, understanding how to store, process, and analyze it is critical. Versatility. These skills make you a more versatile developer, capable of working in various roles, from back-end engineering to data science. Practice with real projects. Build your portfolio with real-world projects using platforms like Kaggle, GitHub, and cloud provider free tiers. Stay updated. Follow industry trends on platforms like LinkedIn, Medium, and specialized blogs. Continuous learning. Certifications from AWS, Google, and Microsoft can validate your cloud and data skills. By mastering this skill set, you'll position yourself at the forefront of the tech industry for 2025 to 2027, opening doors to roles in AI, machine learning, data science, and beyond.